Crank it up. All right, give it some throttle. One more time. All right. Shut off. All right. So I'm gonna crank it down. Make sure your hands are not like cupped over. All right, push it. All right, one more time. All right, now push it. Yeah, that's major.
You're sure?
Yeah. All right, push it.
That went down
All
a
right.
little.
Now, for reference, we'll do the next one over.
Don't step back. Gosh, she's on phone now.
Okay, go ahead and push that one.
Hold on.
All right, next, push that one. That move, push that one. All right, good. Thank you, Sam.
Did it move all 3 times?